Good evening and welcome to the Daily News Roundup with Daily Mirror Online. You're with me, Bhakti Surya. Let's take a look at our headlines. 14 tanks at Trinco Oil Tank Farm to be leased out to LIOC for another 50 years. 5 nabbed with Kerala marijuana worth over 26 million rupees and a weapon. Canteen owners to stop selling tea to customers. 41 more Omicron cases identified in Sri Lanka. More long weekends in 2022. Pandemic under control in the Kandy district. Now diving into those stories in detail.
Energy Minister Udaya Gammanpilla stated that a total of 14 oil tanks at the Trincomalee Oil Tank Farm currently operated by the LIOC would be leased out to LIOC for another 50 years. He said 61 other tanks will be managed by the newly established Trinco Petroleum Terminals Limited. 5 suspects have been arrested while they were transporting Kerala marijuana worth over 26 million rupees and a weapon on 3 motorbikes in Puthukudi, Mullaitivu last night. The haul of contraband weighing over 89 kilos was seized in a joint raid launched by the Navy and STF in the Sudanthirapuram area. The All Island Canteen Owners Association stated that they have decided to refrain from selling milk tea due to the sudden increase in imported milk powder. Speaking to the Daily Mirror, Association's head Asela Sampath stated that due to the recent milk increase in the prices of powder and to the prevailing scarcity in cooking gas, it is unable to provide milk tea or plain tea to their customers. A total of 41 more cases of Omicron COVID variant have been recorded in the country. According to Director of the Allergy, Immunology and Cell Biology Unit of the Sri Jayawardhanapura University, Dr. Chandima Jivandara, a total of 45 such cases have been confirmed in their labs at the Sri Jayawardhanapura University as of today. However, he stated that Sri Lanka had plenty of mitigation measures against Omicron variant. Dr. Jivandara urged people to get their booster shots as early as possible. The year 2022 is going to be a year of long weekends as per the calendar. Accordingly, 7 public holidays have fallen on Fridays and Sundays. Full moon Poya holidays of January, April, May and November have fallen either on Fridays or Mondays, while Thai Pongal, Independence Day and Deepavali have also fallen on Fridays or Mondays. Kandy District epidemiologist Dr. Pasanjay Singh has stated that the COVID-19 pandemic in the Kandy District had been brought under control due to the concerted effort of all those concerned.
For further details on the stories, visit our website www.dailymirror.lk. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Bhakti Surya and this is the Daily News Roundup.